Hello everybody. Sent especially for you.
Can you hang on a second so I can actually start?
Perfect.
Hello and good afternoon. It is the 5th of August. Yes it is.
Yes.
You looked at me all confused. And that means it's someone's birthday. But we have to keep it quiet. I can't tell you whose birthday it is or how many it is. But if any of you know, comment below and then we'll tell you if you're right or not. Anyway, so this morning Lorna went into town, into church, and I went and picked up dinner. It's been prepared and made for us. So yeah, well, this is what we've managed to get for Lorna's birthday. So we've got her pancit here, that looks really yummy. And some sisig. I love that. And some sinigang, which I haven't had.
This is soup.
But I believe that is one of your favourites, isn't it?
Yeah.
I did get that right there. Yeah, now is time to open some cards and maybe a couple of presents.
It's me. Hello lovely people. Another year, another blessing, another celebration, and
can you just take note? Yeah, now you can start again. It wasn't straight.
Hello lovely people, it's me again. Cheers for my birthday. Yeah, thank you for my darling's effort, and yeah, it's lovely. Another year, another blessing. So another year older. That's the reality, that's the fact. But yeah, I'm surrounded by the people who I love. So I'm grateful for that. Must be grateful for it. Especially the blessings. Yeah. So yeah, here we go. I'm opening some of my cards. Right, weather check. It's my first time, yeah, it's my first time ever to have a rainy birthday day today. Compared to the last several years of staying here in the UK, I'm having a rainy day. And the second card is for my darling. Look at this. My lovely card. Yeah, enjoying the starter. Pancit. Rice noodles. Thank you, my darling. And thank you to Shirley too. No, we didn't vlog the
No,
sisig.
I forgot the sisig.
The sisig, yeah, we forgot it. But now the next last course is this pork sinigang.
So what's your verdict?
I mean, it's to me, I enjoy it, but I don't know for you, I think. Yeah, it's lovely. I like it. So I have all my gifts displayed. Alright, really good gifts. Yeah. I don't want to spend it so much. Now this is my lunch bag. Oh, it's very pretty. Very pretty for my lunch bag. Oh, I like it myself. Oh, it's lovely. I think it's this idea. Yeah, I like it. Look. Lovely.
And it's got a zip?
No. Is it breakable? Something?
No.
Look at solid.
Yeah.
It's watch.
Hmm.
Pop watch. Oh, yay! My pop watch that I like. I'm just gonna clip it to my lanyard because my previous pop watch keep falling. And because... And the third one. Oh, a cross for my necklace, the one you gave last January.
Well, I said when I get.
I'm just
You didn't take
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Where did you get this?
Happy birthday, dear Lorna. Happy birthday to you.
1, 2, 3. Oh.
Come on, there's only one.
What did you do before?
Yay!
21 today.
Yeah.
Hey, Googles.
I love face mask. This one I got from Rachel. Lovely. Yeah. Oh. Thank you, Rachel. And a card. Oh, that's a card. Wow. That's nice.
I know you like that.
Yeah.
Well,
nice
you're
card.
always wearing a scarf.
Yeah.
on
You gave me the blue one before, and I'm wearing it. It's for Mrs. Carmen. Scarf, silk scarf. Thank you. It coordinated my dress.
Well, I hope not. Now you're just shaking it up and down.
Lovely.
That is a little bit different, but it's it
Which
made
one?
me
I'm
think
happy
of
with
you,
it.
to be honest, because of
Mm-hmm.
Lorna. It's just something that. I mean, most of the things you buy for the garden, don't you? And I thought it'd be nice for her to. It seemed feminine and.
Oh yeah. Oh.
It hangs up like that, and you've got the little ball. And,
Oh, the bulb is here. But
Yeah,
I have to be careful.
I don't know.
Darling,
John will put it
yeah.
together. I think that's.
Alright. Now this.
Can't think what they could be.
I don't know. This light.
But you have to show us all what you do
Oh wow!
to make sure they don't hurt.
But normally when you have a new shoes, they always hurt you, right?
Mm-hmm.
But for me, I never had.
That's because
Yeah,
you bite them.
You bite it, yeah, to counteract it. I don't know, maybe psychologically, but yeah, if you find it.
Right.
I'm not promoting it,
Aren't
but
they nice though?
yeah, I'm
They
not
don't
promoting
look like
it.
trainers, do they?
Yeah. Okay. Now where's that? 4x4. It's like a clock.
Happy birthday to
you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lorna.
Happy birthday to me. Oh, you make me.
This is what I mean when I said they sell it in broken chunks, which makes it cheaper if you're just putting it in a wax melt.
Yellow green.
Oh right.
Oh yeah.
Oh!
Your
I
favorite
think
color is coming with this.
So that, go on.
I was going to say that is stole from me, so it's stolen.
Today morning or last night, I said you wrap it today because I got so much thing to do anyway. So whilst I was upstairs, he started wrapping it. So,
Oh, some more of those.
again, lovely. Thank you.
Oh, is that a
My
phone?
iPhone, yes.
Oh, that
yeah,
matches
the one with the
that
ring.
matches what you're wearing.
Oh yes, that's
Oh,
right.
I've not seen one like that.
Nothing exciting, just practical.
A raincoat.
No.
That's it, is it?
What have you got?
I don't know. What's this? A raincoat?
No, it's not a raincoat.
Oh, I see. A dress.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
No, you have
So-
to show us again because we missed that.
Yeah, this is your phone cover. So I did not upgrade my phone, so I'm alright with my phone. 60s. Oh, we could try it.
That's what I thought when you said it this morning, but
Yeah, we could
Yeah,
try it.
later
Yeah, with the karaoke. It's coming. We're coming to the karaoke, but I think we're running out of time now.
This is the way to. I like that. I thought it.
Where are the little birds?
it's the book.
Oh, the thorn bird. Oh, that's lovely.
Oh yeah, I said.
Is that the
it's
original? Oh.
We should
that
watch it
with you.
together.
Yeah, lovely. That'd be lovely.
Where did you get this?
It wasn't
The story
not
was
that easy
so
to
lovely.
find now, I must admit.
I said to you, Mrs. Carmen, wasn't it? I told you piece by piece of the story how tragic it was.
Yes.
Because up until a week ago, that was your main present. Steaming your face, isn't it?
Oh, well, that will put open the pores and let the food out.
Yeah. Shoes and my fob watch. Mrs. Carmen, so yeah.
And the handbag is still
Yeah.
What, not
delivery.
So no.
Apparently, no, I stole it.
Because Mrs. Carmen, oh, thank you.
You don't ask how much a present was.
Because in order to,
I know.
for my reading, Mrs. Carmen,
Good idea.
because instead of the books, I like the books, okay? Because the books you can just easily put it back, recycle it, and it's cheap. But then obviously, I cannot carry it on my bag, that's the only thing. So instead of
Right.
reading it anytime, anywhere I go, I cannot bring it. So this one I said, I asked John, is there any quality that you could show me? And I think, yeah, it's really thumbs up.
Well, how do you get the stories on there? Do you,
Yeah, that's right. The stories, I don't know. Amazon Kindle.
Happy birthday.